Do you want to perform these exercises, or are you still going to refuse?
I refuse.
Okay.
I got bombed in Iraq. My attorney is about to break the
In policing, we very frequently interact with people who are in the military. And active duty military police officers usually have a lot of respect for. And we usually try to use the best discretion we can depending on the circumstance. But if we conduct a car stop and the person is exhibiting serious signs of being impaired, that discretion goes out the window and you have to follow every single step. And if the person's behavior becomes even worse, they're likely going to end up in the back of the police car. This is one of those.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Good. How are y'all?
I'm doing good. Just over here.
What?
I'm just over here.
Okay. Reason we're stopping the roll. That stop sign right there.
I'm so sorry. Like, it's just been windy, and then everything has been. I'm just trying to.
Were you like honking your horn a lot downtown?
No,
Was
sir.
that y'all, or was that someone else?
That was someone else, sir.
Okay, here I'm definitely thinking impairment. We've got the slurred speech, which we heard the female as she was speaking. Her motor skills as she's reaching around in the vehicle are definitely off, something that we're going to take note of. And her eyes are very clearly glossed over. These are all indicators of likely being impaired.
All right, you happen to have your license, registration, and insurance?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay over there, man?
I'm sorry. What?
Oh, that's if he's okay.
Military name.
I don't need that.
Okay.
Are you Uber or something?
No, I'm just military. Like, I am, like, here for him. Like, I just got back from deployment, and he's here to be with me. Like, if that's what you want.
Do you have the registration and insurance?
Yes, sir. Hold on. I got it on my phone.
Are you okay, dude?
Are you okay, Chris? Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's very drunk.
I'm so sorry.
He's very drunk.
No. Like, it's me. Like, I promise. Like, I'm just trying to get him a good time. I promise. I'm just trying to find my life.
So this is interesting. So when a person's in the military, a lot of times officers are going to be incredibly kind because a lot of us have served and we might have served with the person or with a family member of theirs. And a lot of times military members will try to offer their military ID instead of their driver license. And when the officer responds back like this officer did, I don't need that, it's a little bit chilling because it means that you're not going to be getting any breaks here.
Hold on, baby. Excuse me, sir. Your light is blinding me.
I'm just shining it on the floor.
You're not shining on nothing. I'm being sweet. Hold on. This is it. You need, what do you need?
Ask for your registration and insurance.
Yeah, well, I got that shit. How do you turn this shit off? Hold on, I'm sorry, sir. Can you please shut up? I'm sorry, sir.
Which base do you operate out of?
Eglin Air Force Base.
Eglin?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I saw the Mary Esther address on the ID. Is like, we're a little ways away from home.
I'm so sorry. Like, no.
That's nothing to apologize for.
No, like, that's where I'm out of. Like, it's Eglin Air Force Base. Like, I just got back from deployment. Like, I'm just I'm time with my man. I just got like, hold on. This is my lieutenant. I'm sorry. I got the police officers here.
What do you mean you got the police officer here?
I gotta go.
Text
Just text us, please.
Baby, you're gonna take the ride.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you out.
So,
Not
I'm
taking
so
no
sorry.
Okay, no.
Just
What
take
the?
the ride.
Can I talk
This
to?
is-
Text me.
For real.
Text me.
This is my lieutenant.
Text me.
I don't have your number. I don't have your number.
This is the police officer.
Hey, listen.
I gotta
I'll
text you
I'll text
later.
right
Can I please? Okay. Signal 8
Can I please call you?
now. Text you right now.
I will text you in a minute.
Earlier, the female from
Give me a minute.
So this is interesting. As a female's looking for her driver license and she's talking on the phone, I usually get on, the whole thing of people using their phones. But it's interesting during a DUI investigation, people talking on the phone can also create evidence for the officers on body cam and through observations of them being impaired. It's interesting under the circumstances why utilizing phones or things that they could say are things that, the officers are definitely going to observe.
I'm just here for my friends.
Let them get wet.
No.
Let them get wet.
No.
Let them get wet.
No.
So you heard their chaos companion let them get wet. I mean, passenger so frequently will get the person into more of a challenge.
I don't want you to get wet. Hey.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, we're coming to see you.
Can you stay with them? Real quick.
Grab yours and then I'll come.
What?
I'm about to go to jail.
Why?
Because I got pulled over. Hold on.
Hey, she's not drunk. She is not drunk, but they're going to take her in.
I just want to give you my driver's license.
Yes, we will take that if you have not given it to Officer Cotton
I
already.
don't want you to.
I'm fine.
No.
I'm fine.
No. Get in the car. Get in the car.
I'm fine, dear. Get your driver's license.
I can't find my driver's license. Can you just take my driver's license?
Yep, that'll work.
Hi, sir. I'm so sorry.
Alrighty.
Yes, sir.
So, you go ahead, step on out.
Is there a reason?
Yes, there is a reason.
All right. Yep.
Go to jail, no test.
I'm so sorry.
What in the world did he just say?
I don't understand, to be honest.
He has been sitting here saying
He's
no
just
test,
been
just
talking,
take the ride.
yeah.
No test, just take the ride.
I'm so sorry.
She's going to jail. All that stuff.
I've just been trying to be the civilized motherfucker, just trying to take him home.
She has spontaneously stated to whoever she was on the phone with that she was going to jail and stuff like that too. So.
Yes, sir.
Bingo, the officer just said what I was kind of saying earlier is that he's just letting her talk. And it's interesting that during this kind of DUI investigation, none of what you say is going to be exculpatory. Nothing's going to get you off of the investigation, but you can definitely say things that will be incriminating if you talk on the phone. He or she said, yeah, I'm going to jail. People can say things about where they were drinking and other things to the person that's on the phone. The person that's on the other end can say something that can also be incriminating. So it's interesting. And the officer said spontaneous. So spontaneous utterances are good to go because what's happening is the officer is not asking questions. The person is just uttering things and the officer is free to listen to them, but he's not asking any questions specific to that crime. Interesting.
I just got back from deployment. I'm so sorry.
Pick it up.
No, you cannot.
Am I being detained?
Yes, sir, you are lawfully detained. And you are part of a traffic stop, you are lawfully detained.
What crime did I commit?
So the passenger's like, can I get out? Can I get out? And the officer's saying, no, you're lawfully detained. The officer's 100% correct. Brinlin versus California. I've mentioned this one before. It was a 9-0 ruling. Every single justice ruled in the favor that the passengers or occupants of the vehicle are considered seized during a traffic stop. 9-0 rulings are rare, especially when it comes to this kind of police stuff, but they ruled that occupants are considered seized as well.
You'll be able to do some sobriety exercises for me.
I would not like to do any sobriety exercises.
Okay.
Because I've been doing so good. I have not done anything wrong.
No, you cannot. You are lawfully detained.
You're on a traffic stop, dude. You're on a traffic stop. You're going to stay right there.
You can stay right there in the car. You can stay right there in the car.
We didn't commit a crime. I'm an Uber.
I don't care.
It's a douchebag.
Stay in the car.
All right. Take me to jail. I'm going to get you.
Now,
Put your hands together.
My hands are together, baby.
essentially, I'm going to read you your adverse consequences. So I can't force you to perform these exercises.
Yes, sir.
Is what it is. But if you don't, you're going to force me to make my decision based on anything and everything I've seen and heard thus far.
Yes, sir.
Now, with that in mind, do you want to perform these exercises or are you still going to refuse?
I refuse.
And just know that any such refusal can be used against you in court.
That's fine.
Okay.
I have.
That's fine.
I don't have anything for you.
Okay. Here, I will go ahead and remove the shoulder bag real quick. A little bit easier if you put your hands like that. Just the way the cuffs kind of situate themselves.
Yes, sir.
181, that's call. 47 in Denver.
How you doing? It's Officer East Pensacola Police Department. Can I help you?
Yeah, sir. What's going on?
Well, whoever the female is in this car, she's being arrested for DUI, okay?
Okay, do you need
I will take your number down, and I'll give you a call back here shortly. The passenger, whoever just called you, the male, he's being detained for right now because he wouldn't listen to our command. So
Here, I'm gonna get you back here in a sec, and I'll get all what you need.
Even though it's cold as hell in your county, you guys don't care about nothing.
Well, I can't control the county or the
Well,
weather.
you guys can't control what you guys put me in. You guys don't.
The car is warmer than outside. Did you read that? Her, I'm gonna go ahead and go through her stuff.
Yeah.
Well, ask her first.
Yeah. No, I
If you would go to that spiel with her.
Question for you. Will you submit to a lawful breath test?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm just going to read this to you, okay? If you fail to submit to the test I requested of you, your privilege to operate a motor vehicle will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal or for a period of 18 months if your privilege has previously been suspended. Okay, with that in mind, though, are you still refusing to take the breath test? Okay, so no test. Okay.
Hey Ben, give me the rundown on him, because I was kind of doing. I heard him like trying to get out of the vehicle and all that.
Alright, so basically, he starts sitting here.
Under Maryland versus Wilson, he's detained anyway.
Yes.
So
I just went ahead and detained him right now. That's really up to you how you want to do that. I gave him several lawful commands: stay in the vehicle, stay in the vehicle.
The officer said Maryland versus Wilson is why he was detained. Maryland versus Wilson was an 8-1 Supreme Court ruling that allowed officers to ask passengers to step out of the vehicle. The Brinlin case that I mentioned before is the case that states that they are detained. And that Wilson case was an 8-1 ruling, which ruled very heavily to the law enforcement side, where you get to ask them to step out of the vehicle. But it's the Brinlin case where they're considered seized.
I can check on this side. I was talking to the dad just now on the phone.
I like how it stopped raining after. Yeah.
You guys are really
Hey,
like,
hold on.
like investigating
Listen,
my vehicle. Like
ma'am,
I don't have anything in there.
Listen to me. Just listen. That's all you gotta do.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay, just relax. Okay.
Thank you.
I just got here. I don't even know you. Okay.
I don't know you
So,
either.
okay,
Like
perfect.
I'm.
Can I explain to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So with every arrest during a traffic stop,
Yes, sir.
we have to inventory the vehicle. That's what they're doing right now. Okay. So we
Yes,
can't
sir.
just turn your vehicle over to someone and then have whatever. If you have belongings in there that are valuable,
I'm just trying
we have to
be-
document that. Okay. I talked to your dad.
understand that.
Okay. And
Like I
I'm gonna
am lawful military personnel.
Okay.
I have served this country.
So have I. I was in the Air Force as well, so you ain't gotta tell me. All right.
I just got back from deployment and
Okay.
I am hurting.
I've been there too. I was at Eglin.
I
and
was
at
just
Lackland and
at
everything else,
Iraq
so.
that
Okay.
got bombed.
Okay. I've been there too. Okay. So here's the deal. All right.
Thank you.
Just take a breath. Okay. Act
just
like
trying to
the
have
airman that you are. Okay. Airman to airman. I got you. Okay.
Airman to airman.
Yes. I was.
Okay.
I was the one Alpha 9 at Herbert Field. Okay. AC 130.
Thank
Okay.
you.
All right. So here's the deal. Okay. Right now they're
I am
entering
a
your car.
serious yo, and
Okay.
I will never disrespect the
Perfect.
law.
I got you. So here's the deal. Okay. I talked to your dad. Okay.
Thank you.
They're gonna inventory the car right now.
Inventory it. There's
Yes.
nothing in there.
It's just
I will
for-
never.
Just for the. No, we're not looking for anything bad. Okay. Just relax. We have to inventory it because if it gets towed and you have anything valuable.
I don't want it towed.
Listen. Just listen.
I've been nothing but
Okay,
respectful to you
let me finish
guys.
talking, okay?
I've been
I got you. Hey, what's your name?
Alyssa.
Alyssa. Okay. Alyssa.
Like
listen,
I just got back from deployment. This is not what I want.
Okay, listen. And I understand that. Okay, but for right now, there's inventory your
Dear Lord.
vehicle.
Okay, inventory it.
And
There's
make sure
nothing in there.
nothing of value is left in the car because
Thank
if it
you.
gets towed, you don't want anyone to steal your stuff. Okay,
I
that's
don't
all they were
want
doing.
nothing. Okay,
All right.
thank you.
This officer's really good at de-escalating situations and getting it to switch away from her going off on some kind of tangent. He utilized a tactic called the fellow traveler, where she said, I was military and I deployed as well. He talked about those things, got her to calm down. Top notch, very well done.
I talked to your dad. I'm gonna see if he can get here. Can get your car. Okay. If that's okay with you. If he's able to come get it in a timely manner, I will gladly turn it over to him if that's what you want. Okay?
Like
if he
I
can't
am
take
not.
it. Okay.
I've been a civilized
do you
person.
want your dad to come get it?
I'd rather him come get it.
Okay.
Yes, that's
I'm gonna-
fine.
okay.
And I want to ride with him.
Okay, I'm gonna call him back and see if we can arrange that, okay? Alright, sound good?
And I can be released.
No ma'am.
What did I do?
That's for the other
I
officer,
have
okay?
not done anything
Okay.
wrong today.
Alright, yes ma'am. I believe you. I want to call Dad real quick, and I just heard her when I got my car. I forgot our phone was on, and I just heard her screaming in the back. So let me call him real quick, and then go from there. what pretty much happened was he's passenger in the vehicle. He kept getting riled up with the other officer and telling, like, oh, what am I detained for, stuff like that. He tried to get out the car. My partner told him to stay in the vehicle, which he decided to not do. He hopped out, my partner. So we put him in handcuffs and he's going for resisting at this point, okay?
Yeah, we're on our way down right now.
Okay, perfect. Then I'll be here with the vehicle and I'll turn it over to you guys, okay?
Bro.
That's parents. They're on their way already.
Okay, yeah, I canceled the rotation.
Door is getting...
Let me put the windows up.
Yeah.
My car.
Yeah, her parents are on the way. If you want to go ahead and put him in my car and I'll get them up to county.
Okay, so something interesting that a lot of people don't necessarily know is that, okay, she's going to face the criminal challenges that she's going to incur from the police department. In the military, for active duty members, if they get into some kind of criminal situation with the civilian police department, there are also ramifications with the Uniform Code of Military Justice, which is the military side that governs how military people are dealt with when they get involved in criminal situations. And behavior when you're outside of uniform can also come into effect with the UCMJ. And I'm not super versed on the UCMJ. If we have any JAG officers or anyone who works in that, please comment in the comment section. When I first got out of boot camp and now I'm at Lejeune, Marines were getting into whatever. I mean, first sergeants would end up having to go to the police departments all the time. And there were ways Marines getting in trouble off duty was a common occurrence back then in the 80s. These kinds of things could potentially happen. And there were ramifications when you got in trouble when you were on your civilian time.
All right, sir, step out of here for me. Thank you. We're gonna walk up to the other patrol car.
Can I call my lawyer?
Come to jail.
I need to call my lawyer! Bitch. Can I get my lawyer on the phone?
It'll make phone calls from the jail.
And he's about to own you guys.
I don't really care.
He knows me.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
I didn't do nothing wrong. You guys just pull somebody over for somebody not doing anything wrong. I didn't even call my parents. Dick. This is unacceptable behavior.
188.
I'm gonna let my lawyer know, and then they're gonna get you 10 times home. And goddamn shit. My lawyer about to find out. He about to bring you guys a new asshole. That motherfucker has my back like a mother. My attorney, he's about to rip them a new asshole. I protect this country. I'm gonna protect the county. You ever protect the country before? I'm about to find out. He works for the county. He don't work for the country. I just got back from deployment. Obviously, they don't care what we do. Obviously, you don't care.
So it's interesting that when we're taking a person in, when we're doing a DUI investigation, we're wondering if the blood alcohol content is going up or coming down. And this is not scientific, but by her behavior, I'm going to guess that hers is still going up because from when we first started to what her behavior is doing, and it's definitely not scientific, but it's something that officers will think about.
Do you hate military, sir?
Alyssa,
Sir.
he doesn't have the authority.
Sir.
Alyssa.
No, I'm trying to ask him a question.
He don't have the
authority.
Sir.
But
He's just a patrol car.
Why do you hate military
He
people?
doesn't.
I don't.
He loves military.
Why do you hate me?
I don't.
You
knocked
do.
me down and I wasn't even driving.
I'm not even driving.
And the DA will drop that shit and plead out.
The male and female are both in the back, and I believe there's a divider between the two of them, so you hear both of their voices in the back.
Well, you got told to stay in the vehicle because for Maryland versus Wilson, passengers are detained for a traffic stop.
Why are you so hateful? You hate the military?
No.
For us protecting your country?
I didn't say any of
For you to do
that.
what you're doing right now? I was there for 7 months.
Okay.
I got bombed in Iraq, bitch. No, I really got bombed in Iraq. I have disability. You about to get by the government.
So a couple of things I'd like to discuss here. You hear the suspect talking about being bombed in Iraq and being deployed and all these other things. And I have a lot of respect for military members, and I don't judge a person off the worst act that they ever committed. I look at the behavior, and I know that people can change. And I hope that she gets the help that she can get, because this is not how military members act. There are going to be military members that are going to chime in the comment section, I'm sure, about this kind of behavior. This does not exemplify how most military people behave when they're off duty. It looks like she was charged with reckless driving, resisting without violence, and I don't know if that was a charge that they put on the passenger, and there were some other traffic citations that she received. So I just want to talk about something as far as refusing an implied consent. So she refused to do the test, and people can refuse tests, and they do refuse tests, and every state handles it differently. Basically says if you refuse the test, your license is going to get suspended or revoked for a period of time. So refusal just means you're going to lose your license. And the law is very clear about what the police can do without a warrant. You need a warrant if you're going to force blood, for sure. For breath, you don't need to have a warrant, but you can't force breath. A person just won't breathe into the machine. And so the ramifications become administrative under those circumstances if they don't force blood. So understand that when you get a driver license, that it is implied that you'll participate in standard field sobriety tests. If you refuse them, you lose your license. That's just the path in nearly every jurisdiction on how it goes. So these kinds of situations, again, this person's likely very different when she's not drinking. But again, this is the kind of video where before she decided to get behind the wheel, their night was likely going completely different. If you know someone who would potentially do something like this, hey, check out this video, because I can tell you again, in the comment section, we're going to see some people from the military that will talk about the fact that if you're an active duty military member and you get a DUI type of charge, what are the ramifications for your career going forward in the military? But shout out to all the people that deployed. My middle daughter deployed to Qatar. I deployed many times. My dad deployed. A lot of respect for military people. There's a standard and it has to be applied. And the officers seemed like they handled this in an incredibly professional manner. And shout out to all the military members that are deployed right now watching this video. We truly appreciate all you're doing to keep us safe. Like this kind of content, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the video that's on your screen for more content just like this.